Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, the graph. We're still having a relief rally in the altcoin market. We're started 2023 on a very bright note. The graph is up more than 108% in the last 1 month. But let's not get carried away. On the yearly time frame, the graph is still down 73.4%. In this video, we're taking a look at the graph US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame. What should long-term investor watch out for the graph in this bear market? How high can we go in this relief rally before we continue dumping to gobbling town? Is the bottom in for the graph? How high can the graph go by the end of the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. Guys, we'll also be looking at the graph's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll also look at the graph's market cap, which is currently above $1.1 billion. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The graph is currently trading above $0.12, but guys, the graph has been through a lot in the last 1 year. We've seen this altcoin go from as high as $0.54 down to as low as $0.051, and right now the graph is back to as high as $0.12. Deep in the crypto bear market, altcoins are currently going through a relief rally, and we've seen them pump to the upside. In the last 1 month, the graph is currently up on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, also on a monthly time frame. For long-term investors, we care about the long-term directions of all these altcoins. We saw altcoins dumping to gobbling town in 2022. We saw the graph losing a lot of its value that year. Right now, we're trying to rally to higher prices, but we're still deep in the crypto bear market. The graph was launched somewhere in December 2020, and after it was launched, we saw this altcoin rally of more than 2,200% in the first 60 days of launching. A 23x pump to the upside in just 60 days is why we like altcoins. It's why we accumulate altcoins getting ready for the next bull run. Altcoins are very, very bullish when the market is pumping to the upside. But guys, the disadvantage of altcoins is that when they start dumping to gobbling town, they can do that very, very quickly, or they can do that very, very slowly. But ultimately, altcoins can easily dump to gobbling town. And it's a natural occurrence for us to see altcoins losing 90+% of their value in the bear market. In the case of the graph, we saw this altcoin go down 98.09% in around 680 days. Altcoins can be volatile that way, both to the upside and to the downside. But for long-term investors, we want to maximize our potential as we see the graph pumping to the upside. Yes, it can easily dump to gobbling town. Yes, the bottom might not be in for the graph right now, but will it be a smart decision for us to continue accumulating some of the graph in the bear market as we get ready for the next bull run? We have to lay some parameters down. And first, the graph is still way off its all-time high. If you're buying some of the graph right now, for it to get to new all-time highs, this altcoin will have to go up an additional 2,000% to the upside. And I believe we'll see the graph setting new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. And if you see the graph as a long-term investor pumping to as high as $10 by the end of the next bull run, you will be very, very interested in accumulating some of the graph tokens when it's lower than the $0.15 region. Guess what, guys? When the graph was launched in 2020, the first set of individuals that got some for themselves got some around the $0.12 region, and we pumped to new all-time highs. So if you're buying some of the graph, currently where we're trading, we are just buying it exactly like those people that bought it before we started pumping to higher prices. And I'm not expecting the graph to continue pumping to a straight line to the moon, pumping to new all-time highs. I still expect us to have some dips along the way. Long-term investors will see it as an accumulation range. The graph is currently going through its first crypto bear market. In the bear market, you expect all coins to either move sideways or continue dumping to gobbling town. We have different stages of the market cycle. We have seen the graph go through markup, where the price was going up very, very quickly. We've also seen the graph go through distribution, where smart investors that were buying at lower prices were selling at the top. And we've seen it gone through markdown. That was what happened in 2022, where we saw the graph in the space of 1 year go down 95%. But all coins can really pump well to the upside. In this relief rally, Even though the graph is up more than 100% from the bottom, you don't want to get carried away. There's a major resistance level for the graph at the $0.15 level, and even if we blast above that level, guys, we still have some major resistance waiting for us as we're pumping to the upside. We'll wait for Bitcoin to show us the way, even though right now we're rallying together with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going towards $23,000, $24,000, but every time a new bull run has started, it has always been led by Bitcoin. And as all coins are pumping to the moon right now, yes, we're happy, but I just feel that it's one final dump to the downside. Either we come to the $0.052 level to test it again, or we might just continue bleeding sideways for a long time till a lot of people get bored, and then we'll finally pump to the upside. If you look at this rally we're having right now, we don't even have any significant volume driving the rally. A lot of the pumps that's happening to the upside is shorts getting liquidated. Guys, as long-term investors, you want to be accumulating the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run. But as we're seeing these rallies to the upside, you don't want to get carried away and go all in. Remember, there will always be another dump and there will always be another opportunity. If you want to buy, don't use all your capital. You want to dollar cost average through the process. You want to buy various prices in the bear market, because guys, if you're dollar cost averaging through the process through the bear market, when the bear market is over, you notice that all your buys were at a particular price point, because most times in the bear market, all coins are dumping to gobbling town. If you had been dollar cost averaging to the graph since May 2022, when it was trading around the $0.15 level, you would have bought at 0.15, you would have bought at 0.1, you would have even got the opportunity to buy the graph at you'd even get the opportunity to buy some of the graph tokens at $0.053 level. But if you go all in, when we see lower prices, you won't have any capital on the side. So be careful with all coins in this bear market rally. If we take a look at some details about the graph, right now has a market cap of over $1.1 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $1.3 billion, a total supply of over 10.5 billion tokens, and we have over 8.7 billion of those tokens in circulation. The graph is ranked 46 on CoinMarketCap. Over 399,000 people have the graph on their watch list. If you want to get some of the graph tokens for yourself in this bear market, as we're getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some of the graph tokens on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Uniswap, on Bitstamp, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. I believe we'll see the graph setting the all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. But guys, let's not get carried away thinking we'll just go in a straight line. There's going to be a lot of dumps along the way. There's going to be a lot of chaos along the way. But only those who survive are going to be able to sell that the graph tokens for $10 when we see it pumping that high in the future. And from where we're currently trading right now, for the graph tokens to get to that $10 region, we'll have to see it rally up more than 7,700%. And we know all coins, they can easily do that. And I believe we'll see the graph doing that by the end of the next bull run. Now, if you take a look at the graph's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in this bear market, yes, we saw it pumping to the upside in the bull market, but right now the graph is exactly performing how we expect it to do in the bear market against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the bear market, a lot of people are scared. They've seen their altcoins dump to gobbling town in the first phase of the bear market. So right now, people are not willing to flip their Bitcoin and their Ethereum for some of the graph. So even though we're seeing the momentum go to the upside, the graph has not given us any significant increase in value against Bitcoin, because from where we're currently trading, the graph will need to rally up around 1,000% for us to go back to a new all-time high against Bitcoin. And if you take a look at the graph's performance against Ethereum also, we have seen it dump to gobbling town in the bear market. That's to be expected, but long-term investors are thinking way into the future. How high can the graph go when we see Ethereum heading towards $10,000, when we see a lot of great returns to the cryptocurrency market? For the graph to set new all-time highs against Ethereum, we'll have to see the graph rally up more than 1,800%. And I believe we can get to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run, but the graph's market cap will need to take a chill pill. The market cap has rallied up above $1.1 billion, and I'll not be shocked to see a pullback. Maybe below $1 billion, we might see the graph's market cap at some point in time in this bear market come back to test the $500 million region, or maybe, just maybe, even go lower than that in this bear market. Long-term investors are thinking of how high the graph market cap can get to by the end of the next bull run. Guys, we might even see the graph's market cap getting to as high as $25 billion by the end of the next bull run. By the end of the next bull run, I expect to see Bitcoin heading towards $100,000. I expect to see all coins pumping to the moon. In the previous bull market, we saw the graph's market cap rally up to as high as $6 billion. So by the end of next bull run, I'll not be shocked to see us crack that $25 billion region. And from where the graph's market cap is right now, we need it to rally another 442% for us to see it setting new all-time highs. And more importantly, guys, it doesn't mean the bottom is in as we're seeing it rally to the upside. We can easily see the graph slowly but surely work its way back to test the $353 million level before the end of the bear market. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, are you still accumulating some of the graph right now in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Or are you chilling, waiting for that pullback to come before you continue accumulating? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating your friend. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.